So if you're not getting the desired views on your videos here on YouTube, chances are that you are not posting your videos the right way. So today I'm going to show you the right way to post your videos to get the views you want or the views you need, especially for people that want to reach 4,000 hours and you just want to earn, ads revenue. Today I'm going to show you the actual way to post on YouTube, and stick around till the end because the last one will surprise you. I'm telling you. Now, the first one will be keywords in tags. A lot of people put tags in their videos. You go to the tag section and all of that. You put the tags in your videos. But what most people don't know is that you have to put keywords. You have to have keywords in your tags. So today I'm going to show you the exact way to add keywords to your tags. All right. So when you go into your content, you would see where to edit it, your titles, your description, and of course, when you scroll all the way down, you will see your tags. Now, I want you to notice that my video is about how to make money as a stay-at-home mom. And the first keyword in the description box is how to build wealth as a stay-at-home mom. Okay, so you can see build wealth. You can also see stay-at-home mom. Okay, that is to let you know that this video is about wealth building, finances, and all of that. So when you go all the way down to the tags, you'll see that the tags have make money online, money saving tips, how to invest, retirement, personal finance, how to achieve financial freedom. So you're letting the algorithm know that this video is all about finance. And one reason I know this works is if you look at vidIQ, okay, over here, you will see that vidIQ has given it an optimized score of 100 over 100. That means it's fully optimized. Now, this does not affect your reach, okay? Sometimes your reach may still be low, okay, but you would notice that even with your reach, the views you gather with this is even more, all right? Now, the next one will be your description. Also know that your description is important. As much as you can, put your keywords in the description. Mastering your savings, budget, digital products, digital marketing, financial independence. Your description is keywords rich. It's rich with a lot of keywords, and also how you're saying it. Okay, this will bring views into your channel. All right, the next thing to do is to make sure you have chapters, and I'm going to go to another screen now to show you how you can generate your keywords, your description, and of course your chapters like easy, and they're 100% optimized because that is the way I generated this. And it became optimized. All right. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is trends. All right. It is important for you to always check trends. So we're going to go into trends now. Okay. You go to your dashboard, to your studio, and then you scroll to analytics. And when you get to analytics, you click on trends. Okay. So over here at trends, you see how to monetize YouTube channel. That is what my viewers are looking for. How to earn money online, side hustles for stay-at-home moms. So the algorithm has read my channel. It has seen everything that my channel is about, and it is, providing trending topics that my viewers are watching. So if you click on this one, for example, right, you can see that it's very high interest from your viewers, and it will give you topic searches for this topic: how to monetize your YouTube, how to create a YouTube channel, how to start monetization on YouTube. And listen, guys, a lot of you are not yet using trends, but it's important for you to use trends because it will give you topics and titles that your viewers, of course, are looking for. All right. So definitely always check your trends. Now I'm going to go show you Taja.ai. We're here in Taja.ai, and what Taja.ai does is Taja.ai will help you generate those keywords, generate your descriptions, and generate your chapters. Okay, so when you put the link to your video in Taja.ai and you click start, I'm going to just show you one of the videos that it has helped me, create. And you see, I use it for both of my channels. All right, so let us click on this one, right? Taja.ai will give you the title, right? And also the description, which is highly optimized because they have taken into consideration the fact that your keywords have to appear, consistently in your description. So you can see the description here. and of course the chapters. And this is one of the reasons I love Taja.ai. Usually I will create the chapters myself, or I will copy the transcript of my video, right, and then put it in ChatGPT to create the chapters. But here Taja.ai just does it perfectly. All right. Another thing that Taja.ai does is that it can also show you the next video. It has this next video generator, right? As Taja.ai continues to learn your channel, it will show you, it can tell you the next videos for you to create. So get ideas for your next video. All right. So you can put a keyword here, or you can just see high volume and low competition keywords in your niche: hustle at home mom, side hustle nation, growing side hustles, right? And if you click AI side hustles, and if you click on any of this one, it's going to show you game side hustle, build your side hustle, newsletter side hustle, growing side hustles. It's going to give you different topics, right, that you can talk upon when it comes to your channel. Another thing it can do is this backlog boost, and this one I love this a lot, because what this one would do is that you can see both my channels are here. What this one would do is that let's use this one, is that it will analyze your channel, right, and it will show you the videos that are not well optimized. And you can see this one is not well optimized. The score is 1. This one is not well optimized. This one too is not well optimized. And if you click on revive video, right, what Taja.ai will do is that it will get the video for you. It will provide keywords, description, titles for that video that will make that video automatically start to rank for search on YouTube, which is amazing. All right. Now, the next thing, now you can see it has stopped losing watch hours on YouTube. Here's why. And, it's going to show you everything that you need, including creating the chapters and also the tags. Remember I spoke about tags? It creates the tags as well. So you just go here, copy it, and go post it in your studio. Super simple, super easy. So you guys, I'll be linking Taja.ai in my description box. Definitely check it out. Okay. Now, the next thing we'll be talking about is the video length. You see, when we went to trends the other time, right? Trends over here, you would see that the videos that my viewers are watching are between 7-8 minutes for how to monetize YouTube channel, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. So that means that when you're creating videos, right, like that, you're creating videos that have that time, that length. You're creating 10 minutes video or 8 minutes video. If we're going to use the side hustle path, you see that let's click on side hustles for stay-at-home moms. You see that most of them are 11 minutes, 19 minutes, some 6 minutes. And if we click on show all, it would show us all of it. And that way we can see like the length. So you can see 19 minutes, 13 minutes. So this is always between 5 minutes and 20 minutes. So you should create videos that have the correct length, and that's way YouTube will push it. I don't know why YouTube likes to push videos that have this similar length, but that is what happens. Anyway, finally, last but not least, the last one will be to edit your videos correctly. Use B-rolls, use transitions, use words on the screen to keep your viewers hooked on the screen and to keep them watching, to keep their interest in watching. That makes your video more interesting. And one way to get B-rolls, right, is Canva. I tell you guys, most of my B-rolls, I get them from Canva, and that way you don't get copyrighted. As long as you're subscribed to Canva Pro, you get the B-rolls. I think you can even get some B-rolls from the free Canva version. So you get B-rolls for your videos and then also use it. And then when you're editing, especially with CapCut, there are several transitions you can use and sounds and all of that to stimulate your viewers, to keep them. And those are the things that I've been learning with the past few weeks, and I've seen that those things have worked to increase views on your channel. And that is the best way to post your videos on YouTube. Anyway, guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. My name is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.